how can someone go in and have an outpatient procedure and then suffer complications and pass away? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about how some people are really confused about the entire Joan Rivers situation. Now, it's been in the news that Miss Rivers has passed away, and what happened is she originally went in to have an outpatient procedure done at a clinic. There were complications that occurred, and she had to be rushed to the hospital. News reports were saying that she suffered a heart attack and had other medical complications, and she subsequently passed away. Now, the purpose of this video is not for me to comment on any type of possible wrongdoing or anything like that done in Miss Rivers' case. The purpose of this video is to talk about some of the comments and the questions that are on a lot of news websites from individuals in the public, not really understanding how can a person go in and have an outpatient procedure done and not be able to walk out alive. And the reason being, in a lot of these cases, is that you have to understand that any type of surgical procedure carries risks. And that's why it's important that your doctor talk with you about the risk associated with the procedure. It's also important for you to take the time to ask your doctor questions, the pros and the cons about the procedure. These types of things will allow you to be able to give a true informed consent and understand what you are doing before going forward with your procedure. Now, saying all of that, I want to say this also. Just because surgery carries risks associated with it, that does not mean that your medical professionals, your doctors and nursing staff, that does not mean that they can needlessly endanger you. For example, let's say that you are going in to have a surgery done and there are flags in your chart that shows that your heart is not strong enough at this particular time to withstand the surgery. If your doctor goes ahead and still goes forward with the surgery, then an argument can be made that your doctor is needlessly endangering you. Or let's take this example. Let's say that you're going in to have a surgery done and the anesthesiologist does not review the medications that you're taking. You go in for the procedure and there is an allergic reaction to the medications, which cause complications for you. These types of things, again, are where your doctors are needlessly endangering you. Now, realize that if you're watching this video today, you probably have questions and concerns. You probably want to know more about whether you are possibly the victim of medical malpractice. Well, if you have these questions and concerns and your matter happened here in Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. Well, guys, that's it for today's short educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.